Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Hello. Welcome to English Grammar Crash Course of One Step English.
Today, we are talking about helping verbs. What is verb?
A verb is an action word. It can express a physical action, a mental action, or a state of being. For example,
Matthew walked for the first time today. Walked.
This sentence is an example of verb expressing a physical action.
Matthew learns new words every day. Learns.
This sentence is an example of verb expressing a mental action.
Matthew is 25 years old. Is.
This sentence is an example of verb expressing a state of being.
What is helping verb?
Helping verbs help the main verbs to express their full meanings, and are necessary for grammatical structure of a sentence. For example,
Matthew's car had broken down this morning. Had broken.
Had is the helping verb. Broken is the main verb.
Matthew was walking when Sophie's car picked him up. Was picked.
Was is the helping verb. Picked is the main verb.
Matthew should have just waited at his house. Should have waited.
Should have are helping verbs. Waited is the main verb. As you can see, these helping verbs don't really mean anything, like in the sentences Matthew's car had, or Matthew was, or Matthew should have. Don't mean anything on their own, but in the context of the sentence, they change the meaning of the other verbs by making them past or future tense, by implying a suggestion, or in many other ways. Helping verbs can be divided into two groups, namely, primary helping verbs and modal helping verbs.
What is primary helping verb?
Primary helping verb change form to match the subject. The primary helping verbs are be, like, I have, she has, do, like, I do, she does, and have, like, I am. She is. They are considered helping verbs if they function in these ways. Helping verb. B. Function. Forming progressive tenses. For example, we are walking. Are. Another function of be. Showing the passive voice. For example, the letter was written in December. Was. Helping verb. Have. Function. Forming perfect tenses. For example, they have already eaten. Have. Helping verb. Do. First function. Asking questions. For example, did you take the bus? Did. Second function. Forming negatives. For example, she does not talk as much as she should. Does. Third function. Emphasizing something. For example, I do care if you succeed. Do.
What is modal helping verb?
Modal helping verbs is a very special type of verb because they are always used in the same form. They don't change to match their subjects. The modal helping verbs are can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must. For example,
It can't rain on my birthday. Can't.
modal verb.
They should probably cancel it. Should.
Modal verb.
We may not be able to have a party. May.
Modal verb.
Would you want to have a party in the rain? Would.
Modal verb.
Let's test your knowledge.
Choose the letter of the correct answer.
1. I, blank, thought about joining the swimming team for a couple of days. A. Has. B. Had. The correct answer is, letter B. Had. I had thought about joining the swimming team for a couple of days. 2. We, blank, practiced a great deal. A. Have. B. Will. The correct answer is, letter A. Have. We have practiced a great deal. 3. The coach, blank, checking the team's strengths and weaknesses. A. Is. B. Are. The correct answer is, letter A. Is. The coach is checking the team's strengths and weaknesses. 4. We, blank, going with my mother to a dress boutique tomorrow. A. Is. B. Are. The correct answer is, letter B. Are. We are going with my mother to a dress boutique tomorrow. 5. I, blank, outgrown the long dress I wore last year. A. Have. B. Will. The correct answer is, letter A. Have. I have outgrown the long dress I wore last year. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.